I would like to introduce to you the newest addition to the modeling industry. He is a young college graduate who is passionate about modeling. He wants to advance in his career because he is dedicated to his style. He likes to pay cards. He enters many big events and is always the winner so many brands want him, such as Under Armour, Adidas, and so on. He built his own company when he won the events. This company has already become a famous company in the world. He also donates a lot of money to poor children. He's not only famous but also kind. He's already become a rich man, but he isn't proud. He still likes to donate money. In closing, I want everyone to cooperate with him.